fluffy jackets. This definitely doesn't fit. I just broke another hanger. This is the third one. Doesn't look so small though. You guys, this is a 7 to 8. Hi guys, it's Nicole, and for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. Welcome to my closet. I've mentioned in a few of my past videos that I need to clean it out. It's not messy or anything. I literally did this video like 6 months ago where I actually like deep cleaned it. I like took out a bunch of stuff and like threw away a bunch of stuff. But for this video, I'm kind of just cleaning out a bunch of clothes. Let me just show you. If you look at it from here, it doesn't look bad at all. Like I have all of my tops over here and then my jackets over here. I even color coded my tops, but ow! I just ran into my bed frame. Anyways, if you see at the bottom, I have a bunch of clothes, just literally 3 piles. They're clean and all I have to do is hang them up, but I have no more hangers. Not only do we have to clean out this part, I also have these drawers and these drawers. So in my closet, I keep my tops and my jackets. And then in these drawers, I have everything else, like my pants, my skirts, jeans, pajamas, just anything that's not tops are in these drawers. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have a lot of work to do. By the way, I'm starting to film this at 9. It's currently 9:07 p.m. right now. This is probably gonna take me about 2 hours. So I have 2 trash bags. This, I'm going to put clothes that I want to sell. I use Poshmark, by the way. I know there's like Depop or Mercari or stuff like that, but I've always used Poshmark and I'm constantly putting clothes on there. So if you want to check it out, my username is @Nicole_Laeno. This isn't sponsored, but I do use that a lot to sell my clothes. So yeah, this is the sell bag, and then this is to donate. So if there's any clothes that I can't sell and I can give them to like Goodwill or stuff like that, it'll go in this bag. I feel like we should just begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and let's get on with cleaning my closet. I've decided to start off with my tops first. Oh god. I've definitely grown out of a lot of them. You know, my body is developing. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So like a bunch of things are really small for me now. And also I tell myself every time when I clean out my closet, if I haven't worn it in a while, then I should get rid of it. But I never do. All right, let's begin. I'm gonna start off over here. These are all my black shirts. Here I have a few dresses. I've worn them for like events and stuff, but I do wanna get rid of like at least one. Okay, I think this still fits me. This is super cute. This still fits, these still fit. This one does not. Alright you guys, this is a medium in kids, and with dresses now I'm like an adult small, so this definitely doesn't fit. Oh my god, yeah. I think the last time I wore this was like 2 years ago, so I am going to sell this. Yay, 1 extra hanger. These are multiple black sweatshirts. I love this Disneyland one. This is when I went to Chicago in like 2018 I think. I did something there for acting, so this has a lot of memories for me, so I'm gonna keep it. This is from Instagram, I'm going to keep this. And then this one's from Nike, so I guess I don't want to get rid of anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who needs just 5 black long sleeves? Because I don't. That looks really small. I literally just got this from Beginning Boutique. It's an extra small. I'm definitely not an extra small. I'm at least a small in tops, so I'm going to get rid of this one. This is a bodysuit from Hollister. I really like this, but again, it's an extra small and I just don't fit into that anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I got this from Princess Polly, I think like 2 or 3 months ago, and I ordered everything in a US 0, but I'm now a US 2, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Also, another Princess Polly haul might be coming soon. This is another one from Princess Polly, and it's a US 0, so I have to get rid of it. And then this one is from Brandy. I still fit into this one and I really like it because it's like a turtleneck, but we did really good on this one. We got rid of 4 out of 5 black long sleeves. I feel like this video is going to be really long if I just keep explaining each shirt, so let me just speed up the process. Oh my god. Look how many gray t-shirts I have. Okay, again with these Princess Polly dresses, they're a US 0 and I just don't fit into that anymore. So sadly, I have to get rid of these. Look how many hangers we have. These are all white long sleeves. This fits, this fits, this fits. Oh, that fits too. Yeah! Oh my god, do you guys remember these Brandy shirts? They're like the most basic ones. Should I keep it? This is a basic one too. You know what? I'm gonna keep it. If I don't wear it until the next closet clean out, I'm getting rid of it. Don't even get me started on how many white tank tops I have. I guess they're all different though because they have like different prints and stuff, so you can't be that mad at me. I do wear these a lot, so I got rid of 3 white tank tops. I think that's good enough. Again, I wear these a lot, so I'm not gonna blame myself. This is from Princess Polly. It's literally so cute, but I never got to wear it out because first of all, quarantine, and second of all, it doesn't fit anymore. But like, it's so cute! This Adidas shirt, I haven't worn it for a while, and this is an extra small, so bye-bye. Same with this one. I haven't worn it for a while, and it's an extra small. This shirt I like. It's from Urban. I feel like it's just so fun, you know? I'm gonna get rid of this one. We are doing good! These are like my red, maroon, burgundy dresses. I can probably get rid of a few, I think. Yeah, this one doesn't fit me anymore. I love this. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit. It honestly probably doesn't fit, but I'm gonna keep it. I feel like I've worn it to so many events, like when I was younger, so I'm gonna keep it. Another Princess Polly dress. Don't be so mad. I only had like a few red shirts, and I really like the color red, so I didn't really get rid of any. But that's okay, because we're doing really good. Like, hold on. So far, I got rid of this many clothes. I feel like that's really good. And I could definitely tell I'm gonna have a lot more space. I literally only have 3 orange t-shirts. And it's good because one is a sweater, one is a t-shirt, and one is a tank top. So I'm gonna keep these. All of these green tops don't fit me. I have some from like Brandy. There's a Hollister in here. Yeah, these are too small for me now. Also, you guys look. I just have a bunch of hangers on the floor. I just got rid of some of my blue clothes. Now I'm just going to sort them and like put them in the right places because they were kind of just like that. Oh, I miss the Philippines so much. Girl! Oh my god, you guys. I am done with the top section. I just broke another hanger. Look how much extra space I have. It might not seem like a lot, but like to me, I feel like I could fit like 50 tops in there. These are all of the tops that I'm getting rid of. Like, oh my god, that's a lot. Here are all of my hangers. I did this off camera, but I just put all the clothes that I took out of my closet into this garbage bag. I'm out of breath. So we're gonna put this aside. But before I move on to my jackets, I'm actually gonna hang up as many clothes that I can with all the hangers that I have now, just so I don't have like so many hangers on the floor. I'm gonna hang some clothes up right now. Oh my god. This is the 3rd one. We did it, guys. We filled this side with all my other tops that were on the floor. Now we only have that stack for the jackets. Oh god. Next, we're moving on to my jackets. Honestly, this side of my closet scares me. It's just like, I don't know, it's like too much. I can barely like take one out. I can barely put one in. Like, I don't know. I just have to keep in mind, if I haven't worn it in a while, just get rid of it. Let's do it. Don't be so mad. All of these Adidas sweaters do not fit me anymore. Or hoodies, not sweaters. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. Don't be so mad. Ooh, I don't know which one fits. It honestly feels kind of tight. Let's see this other one. Ugh, I don't know. Okay, I have no idea, but I definitely don't need 2. Doesn't it look kind of small though? I think the other one fit a little better, but I'll keep this one, I guess. I'm channeling my inner Catherine from Vampire Diaries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who needs 8 fluffy jackets? Okay, I honestly love them all though, so I don't want to get rid of them. So maybe if I do a closet clean out in winter, we'll see if I get rid of those. Actually, I'll get rid of this hoodie. Should I get rid of this one too? I'm gonna get rid of both of these Brandy hoodies. They're kind of tight now, so I'm gonna sell those. Oh, we got rid of all of these, which is really good. It still looks like I have so many jackets just because they're so big, but I promise I got rid of a lot. I'm gonna rearrange this order because the ones I want to wear, they're like in the back, so I can't really get to them because all my fluffy ones are in the front. So I'm gonna rearrange this. So I ended up putting all my hoodies up front because I definitely wear hoodies like all the time. And then I have like my sports jackets and then all of the ones that I wear when it's winter time. All right, let me put all of this in a trash bag and then we can start hanging up things. Oh my god, okay, that took so much out of me. We did it! You guys, here is the finished product on the top section. Here are all my tops. I honestly still have more room. Like, I could still put a bunch of more clothes right here. And then here's the jacket section. I'm so happy with it. It's definitely more easy to get to for the jackets I want to wear. And everything is just much better. Then we have the hangers. I took them all from the floor and put it on the chair. And then yay, we don't have any more piles of clothes to hang up. Also, peep the Christmas pillows. There have been a bunch of Christmas TikToks on my For You page of people being like, guys, we need to bring Christmas early because it's gonna bring us so much more happiness. So maybe the Christmas pillows will be coming out sooner than I thought. Alrighty, I got some water, 2 new trash bags. Time check, it's 10:14. I've been doing this for over an hour now, but we are moving on to this bottom section. I have these drawers kind of just for extra storage, but I definitely have a bunch of clothes in here that I don't wear anymore. First of all, these boxes are actually shoes from hauls, but I never took them down to my garage. So I'm gonna put this to the side and I'll put them downstairs later. But yeah, let's just get started from this drawer right here. Oh my god. These are all of my little cami tank tops that I used to wear for like auditions and stuff. What size is this? You guys, this is a 7 to 8. Okay, we are definitely getting rid of like all of these. I would literally wear these 24/7 when I was younger, but I'm definitely not a size 7 to 8 anymore. So I think I'm going to get rid of all of them. Literally, I got every color. I even have like a bunch of tan, these white ones, and black ones. Like, girl, I was stocked. But I'm either going to donate or sell those. Oh. And here I have some dance clothes, like leotard, dance shorts, like some leggings and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything in here. I even have like this cool mesh shirt. Like, look at that. But yeah, I still go into this drawer every now and then, so I'll keep all of this. Same with this drawer. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything in here. These next 3 drawers are all Abercrombie and Fitch kids. So there might be a few things that don't fit me anymore. These jeans sadly don't fit me anymore. This top is a little too small. And then I have these t-shirts, but I feel like someone else can get a lot more use of them. So I'm going to sell these. So there's a little more room in this drawer. This next drawer I had 4 hoodies in it, but I can give away 2 of them. And then this last one are some jean jackets. And then this next one are some jean jackets and this very cute fanny pack. So I'm actually going to keep all of this. This drawer is full of Adidas clothes. I'm going to keep this. I'm actually going to hang this one up. So I'll put that off to the side. Same with this jacket. I'm going to hang it up. Ooh, look at these pants. You guys, these are so cute and fun. It's like those wide-legged pants and then they open on the sides. Okay, I'm definitely keeping these. And then I also have this tracksuit, which is orange, which honestly I don't wear all the time, but I feel like I wear it once in a while for something like a job or something like that. So I'm gonna keep that. Oh, this one's also Adidas. I'm gonna hang this t-shirt up. Same with this one. Oh, these are an extra small and I used to wear these all the time. They're like little crop tops. I have it in black and green, but I'm actually gonna give them away because they're an extra small, so they're too small for me. These leggings still fit. And then these tops are also extra small. And then lastly, I just have some booty shorts. So I'm actually gonna merge these and put these guys in here. All right, and this last one is a Nike drawer. And I actually just cleaned this one out because when we went to Portland, we went to the Nike employee store and I got some new clothes. So I cleaned out this drawer and I'm gonna give away all of these clothes. There's some leggings and some shorts that just don't fit me anymore. So yeah, and I'm done with this section. I'd say that was pretty easy. It was pretty good too. I have 2 empty drawers and then I could definitely merge some, but I will save that for another time. I'm now going to put all those clothes in this trash bag, hang these clothes up that I said I was going to, and I will be right back. It's now 10:57. I took a little break because my mom brought up some noodles for me. Thank you, Mom. But we are now going to tackle my dresser. Let's begin. We're gonna start off with my socks drawer. Okay, honestly, I have a lot of socks, so I'm gonna get rid of some. I've decided to take all of them out and I'm just gonna put in the ones that I actually use. I'm gonna get rid of these. Also, I don't think I'm gonna sell them. I don't really feel comfortable selling socks. I feel like that's kind of weird. So I might just donate them. Now we have space in my sock drawer. The next one is where I keep my bathing suits and then undergarments. I'm gonna do that off camera because, I don't know, I just don't want to show that, you know? But actually, I'm gonna show these sports bras because I'm gonna sell these. It's literally just a bunch of Nike bras, but they're an extra small and I'm small. So I will be selling these. This is my pajama drawer and I actually keep this drawer pretty organized so I don't have to get rid of any of my pajamas. This drawer This is where I keep all of my shorts, leggings, and skirts. Let me just show you guys. Actually, I keep my drawers pretty organized, like I fold them and everything, but I do think I can get rid of some things in here, like these shorts. I've definitely mentioned these on my channel. I don't know where they're from, but they're just black shorts and they're super cute, but they're really small. They still fit me, but like you could definitely tell they're kind of small. So like my family doesn't like when I wear these, so I'm going to pass these on. Leggings, I'm actually pretty set. I think all of these fit me. Next, we can move on to skirts. There's gonna be a lot of them that don't fit me because again, I've just grown out of a lot of stuff. So let me just go through those. Oh my god, you guys, this is so sad. All of these don't fit me anymore. So I'm gonna pass these on. There are some really cute ones in here though. Next, we have my jeans. This drawer isn't that bad, but I think there might be like one or two that I can get rid of. These bad boys are from Hollister. I'm pretty sure these two pants I got in like 2018, so I'm gonna get rid of these. Then I think I got this last summer, but I've definitely grown out of these, so I'll get rid of those. I don't like the way these jeans look on my body, so I'll give this to someone who is gonna get use out of it. All right, yay! Now I have some more space for jeans if I buy more. Now we have my sweatpants. I love sweatpants. So I definitely have a big collection of them, but I wear all of these honestly. Actually, I'll get rid of these. These are from Adidas. They're just purple, but I haven't worn them in a while. I literally wear all of the other ones. All right, and then the last drawer, I keep some fluffy things and some robes, so I'm not gonna get rid of those. And that means we finished. I've decided to film my outro in front of the 3 trash bags. Here are all of the clothes that I'm either going to sell or donate. I'm honestly so glad that I did this. Every time I clean out my closet, I just feel so much better after. Like, you know, I have so much more space now, and also it's just not cluttered, so it doesn't give me stress anymore. But again, make sure to check out my Poshmark, which is at Nicole_Laeno. It'll take a really long time to get all these clothes posted, so I don't know if I'm gonna post all of them, but there are definitely new things on there all the time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment on my community tab, go subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye!